AutoHotKey is a program that allows you to automate certain tasks, such as opening apps, auto-clicking, and remapping keys on your mouse or keyboard. I want to see if I can use it to streamline my content creation process by fixing some hardware issues and automating some tasks. First order of business is to download the thing and figure out how to use it. Download version 2, okay? Oh hey, that's not very large at all. Very nice. And boom, let's run it. Wrong monitor. Install. Wow, that was fast. So, first order of business. I need to fix my keyboard. For some unfathomable reason, it has 2 Windows keys, the second replacing the function key. Utterly useless. So let's remap it with AutoHotKey. My second task is to open my video making app simultaneously when I press a hotkey. The third one is play jazz automatically. The fourth task is to bind volume up and volume down keys. And the fifth and most complicated task is to automate my audio post-processing process. I have no idea if I can achieve all of these goals, but let's try, starting with the keyboard. Obviously, the first thing to do is run screaming straight to Google. I have no idea what this coding language is, but how hard can it be? So can I make it so that when I press the right Windows key, my computer thinks I'm pressing the function key? Or in other words, can I remap the right Windows key to the function key? No. You've got to be kidding me.
3 pints of damn and a chaser of hell blast!
How to make custom volume keys AutoHotKey. Wow, AI is so useful. I hate to copy and paste code, but if it works, this just feels like such cheating. Would this work? You know what, let's just test it. How to run AutoHotKey script. Oh, okay. Boink. It looks like the script you are trying to run requires AutoHotKey version 1, which is not installed. If the version has been misidentified, please add a #requires directive to your script file. That's silly. Why would you need version 1? I have version 2. And I created that script with version 2. Oh, okay, so I can just add this to the beginning. Requires AutoHotKey v2. #requires AutoHotKey version 2. Let's try now. Boink. Error. Invalid key name. Oh, abort. Okay, so it's running now. But the rwin isn't actually a valid key name, so I need to find the proper identifier for the right Windows key. That's what it says. Okay. Do these need to be parentheses? No. What the hell is AutoHotKey Window Spy? It is just an AutoHotKey script which tells you information about the active window or mouse position. Ah, okay, fine. Cool. Didn't think it was malware, but geez. They ought to name it something different. Okie dokie. Error. Function calls require a space. Okay. Google the error. It looks like you're mixing version 1 and version 2 stuff. What the error is telling you is that you don't put a comma directly after the command in version 2. You'll also need to put string parameters inside quotes. Okay. No comma necessary? Missing property name and object literal, so I messed it up. Let's use some more AI code. Whoa, that actually worked. What on earth? Okay. Shouldn't get my hopes up too much. All the script actually did was run, so can I change the volume? Control up. Oh, it works! Oh, yes! And mute. Yes! First AutoHotKey script. Definitely not written with AI. Right, we're not doing that again. The next script we're gonna write without AI. So we can check that off our to-do list and delete that, because it didn't work. Can I insert emojis in Notepad? Yes, I can. Next order of business is to open my video making app simultaneously. So I want to set a single hotkey, perhaps this time we'll use the bad Windows key, and have it as a trigger to run all of these apps. We're not using AI. Is that it? That's so easy. Okay, right click, new AutoHotKey script. Let's call it editing. OBS is already running, so let's try and open DaVinci Resolve. That's just called DaVinci Resolve, so I should just be able to use quotes, and let's make sure it's all the correct reals. Theoretically, if I run the edit, then it goes wrong. I guess I have to put the actual path to the app installer inside the quotes, just like this, instead of just the name like that. And I think this will do it, maybe? Oh, the script is running, Now if I press the right Windows key... Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, that's installing it. Cancel. No. I don't want to install the app again, Jesus. But we're on the right track, because pressing the Windows key ran this file. So now I just need to figure out how to run the app and not the file.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh, this method is actually genius. Just have it run a shortcut to the app. That, I didn't want to use AI, but this overview was actually really helpful, because that's definitely gonna work. Oh, it actually worked. Oh, wow. Wow, that was, okay, credit to AI for solving the problem. That was genius. So now, how do I have it run multiple apps? Can I just separate them with a comma? This feels really messy, but what if I do it like this instead? Error. Duplicate hotkey. Okay, that's what I thought. I'm not using AI to figure this out. Nope. I'm not even gonna look. Oh, it's so tempting to show more. I'm not using AI though. Wait, you can have a script that outputs beeps when you press a hotkey. Does that mean I can bind a hotkey to make a sensor beep? Oh, that could be funny. Anyway, edit missing property name and object literal. The program will exit. Fine. Copy. Paste AI code. Oh. Okay. Right Windows key. Is it gonna work? Oh, yes. It works. Audacity. Here. DaVinci Resolve. Here. Yes. Always thank the robots.
You never know when one day they may take over the world.
Now we just add a shortcut for OBS Studio as well. Boom. Okay. There we go. Whoa, oh, shoot. No, there we don't go. Goodbye. We don't need that. Boink. Done. Next task. Play jazz. This shouldn't be too hard. Ideally, I would just want to press a key and my operating system starts playing jazz, but as I don't think I can do that, I'm instead going to make a script that opens a YouTube jazz video and just have it play that in the background. No, we are not using AI this time. Oh my god. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Okay, now let's just tweak that to version 2. What can I say? I have good taste. Not sponsored by Relax Cafe Music, by the way. Okay, so now I just bind a hotkey. What hotkey would we use for jazz? What's a key that I almost never use? Insert. Probably insert. Okay, let's run jazz. Yes! Yes! Ah, a script to automatically play jazz. Wait. Firefox autoplay isn't enabled. And I don't like autoplay, and I don't want to enable it.
Damn it!
Oh, send the key K. The problem is, the video needs time to load before I can press space and have it play. At least like 5 seconds. So how do I have a little timer? How do I insert a timer? Set timer. Is this for milliseconds or seconds? What does this do? Warning, this global variable appears to never be assigned a value. So that's not how you send a signal. Oh, sleep. Oh, and it's milliseconds. It's measured in milliseconds. Okay, so sleep 5,000. Does not work. Okay. Did I fix it? Oh shoot, what did... Oh no. So it didn't actually wait for me to open the Firefox window. It just paused for 5 seconds and then inserted space in the window I was currently in. And not only did it do that, it didn't send the keystroke space, it sent the string space. So the actual word, which means I've still got it wrong. Use key wait to wait for a key to be pressed and released. Okay, how does it work now? The way I want it to work is to wait until I press the insert key, then open the Firefox Jazz window, wait for 5 seconds, and then send the signal space to begin the video. And it already does not work. And that's because I don't have the wait bit capitalized. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, jazz. The real test now is, can I close it and play more jazz again? The answer is yes. As long as the script runs, I can play jazz. Oh, yes! That's another goal down. Nice. Oh, And now for the last and certainly most complicated task, automate my audio processing in Audacity. Wait, Audacity already has a built-in macro function. Do I not need AutoHotKey for this? A macro, by the way, is a way to automate repetitive tasks in an app, so I could use Audacity's built-in macros instead of AutoHotKey for this. Oh wow, okay, so I don't actually need AutoHotKey for this. I might just use it to trigger this built-in macro. Okay, here we go. New post-processing. Blink. Click insert to add desired effects or commands from the available list. Okay, insert. First thing I want is noise reduction. So that would be all the way down in the N. Noise reduction. Okay. The next thing in my process is compressing. So let's add the compressor. The preset is modern. That's the one I use, so apply. Okay. Next is amplify. That should be right here. The problem is I wanted to amplify the audio track until just before it clips, not just a certain amount of decibels. Let's see. Well, okay. Let's just keep going and see how it works. And the last one in my process is the EQ, or the equalizer. Where's the equalizer? Oh wait, it's called, there we go. Filter curve EQ. Edit parameters. Yes, this is my EQ. Apply. Okay. And I think that's it. Save. So now I'm going to record a clip. As you can see, it's not very loud. It should be touching the top right there if it's like at peak volume. And well, let's just see how this works. So now if I trigger the macro, apply macro. Whoa. So now I'm going to record a clip. As you can see, it's not very loud. It should be touching the top right there if it's like at peak volume. Oh, no. No This is... I wish I'd known about macros before. This is going to make post-processing so much faster. Dang. Okay. Cool. So, there we go. We don't even need an AutoHotKey for that. Task completed. Every single one. One last thing before we finish. I need some of those scripts to run immediately on startup. So, let's figure out how to do that. Okay. Shell startup. Oh, wow. So I just dragged the ones that I want to run on startup into that folder. And boom, there we go. So let's see if those run on startup. I'll just restart my computer. I haven't pressed any keys yet. I have just restarted my computer. Volume. Oh, yes. Can I play jazz? Oh, yes. Well, there we are. Now I'm going to go and use those new AutoHotKey scripts to edit this video. See ya!